That one took off right away as soon as I pressed play. This is my Gerbs and his nature. Loving the birdies.
Oh, this one's not the one. Oh, here he comes.
The birdies loving him.
This one's tough.
That's tough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then that one right there, he's sketchy D, I think. You want a seed? Oh, did you get one? Want a new one? Here. Oh, you got one.
No, I got one. What happened to the rest of them? They're like three more.
There's usually a gain of them. Tough's on his stash, so he'll be flying back here pretty quick. Here he comes. Come on, Tough. Come on. Atta boy.
So cool.
Oh, you see the hummingbird? Freaking, yeah, he's up in the tree. Fucking with him. Yeah, he totally is. There's a red hummingbird that's just being a dink to all the... Oh, there he is right there.
Right there.
Yeah. He's not a big fan of all the other birds flying around me.
No, he gets quite jealous.
Tough will be back.
I think I'm shaking. Sorry if I'm shaking.
It's okay.
Oh, wrecking the whole thing.
Tuffy.
Ring the bells again.
Here he comes. Come on, Tuff.
Where'd he go?
Yeah. There you are. Come on. Tough. Oh no, that's not Tough. That's the sketchy one. Come on, guy. Want some seeds? Here you go.
Oh, here comes the puppies.
Hi, Andy. Good boy.
That's Andy Dandy. He's our old pup. Well, he's not ours. He's our roommate's. He's beautiful and he's wonderful and he does his job well.
Want a treat? Want to do some tricks for me? Want to do some tricks?
Oh, wait there, Andy. And there's Ashka.
Back up.
She heard the treat bag going.
Back up. Back up. Oh, ah. Oh, you cheeky bugger. You got a cheeky one, chicky chick. Yeah, you did.
Okay, I'm turning this off now.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us. Cheers.
Bye.